Hello, my name is Kalim Akhtar. I'm the Group IT Manager at the Petite Maison. LPM is a French Riviera-inspired restaurant with a location across the globe, including Dubai, London, Miami, Hong Kong, Limassol, Mykonos, and so on. Our inspiration comes from the ingredients, flavors, and the spirit of Riviera. Our key objective is simple: to offer a consistently remarkable guest experience, either from the first phone call or the online interaction to the final bite at the table. As we continue to grow, we want to stay true to what makes LPM unique: the balance between the consistency and the creativity. This means finding a partner like a Ziwo who understands our rhythm and who can adapt to our operational needs. For seasonal location like Mykonos, we need a reliable call center solution that could be managed remotely from Dubai. The challenge was to implement a platform that supports call routing, agent monitoring, and the customer engagement without having a full on-site support team during the off-season. Our experience with Ziwo has been extremely positive. The platform is stable, quick to deploy. The team was responsive to our seasonal operational model and provided the flexibility that the other vendor could not offer. The key benefits of using Ziwo is the productivity of the agent. Ziwo dashboard and the call tracking features allowed us to improve agent performance even across the remote teams. Also, since Ziwo operates on a SaaS model and agreed to change only for the seasonal period, we avoided unnecessary annual cost and in the resulting of 40% of cost saving for us. Also with Ziwo, we ensure that our guests calling for the Mykonos reservation were greeted professionally and routed accurately, maintaining a brand consistency and improving a call response time by 30%. And the key features of Ziwo that we are using is a real-time agent monitoring, call recording, performance metrics of the agent, easy setup of IVR flows, and multi-channel call routing efficiency. We would obviously recommend Ziwo for any hospitality or the service business who is looking for reliable, flexible, and the cost-effective call center solution, specifically those with the multi-location or the seasonal business model like ours.